Hello everyone, welcome back to Nguyen Phat Tools channel. In today's video, I will show you a software that help you to auto-share your Facebook post to story on multiple account. So this is my software. You can see, first we have the account management. Here will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook account. And you can see here, I have more than 600 account. And to auto-share your post, we will go to Share function. And we will have Share Post or Share Live Stream. I will choose Share Post. Next, I will choose the account I want to share. I will choose the account here. Next, I will go to Setting and then set up the number of thread. Number of thread is the number of account running at the same time. Okay. Next, I will set up from top to bottom. First, I will set up the break interval time. Then I will choose the content that I want to share. Next, I will choose the post ID that I want to share. I will take this post and take it ID. And then I will paste it here. Press Save. Next, I will set up the number of posts that each account will share here. Okay. And then I will choose action that I want. You can comment to the post. And then I would choose the option sharing. You can share your group, the group that you already joined, or the group ID. Or you can share to your personal page, or you can share your story. Here I'll choose Share to Story. Okay, after everything is set up, I will press Start and then let the software do the work. There, you can see it start logging in, and we will wait for it to sharing. There, you can see success posting there. Okay, and then I will check for the process. We will go to account management and I will log into the account. Okay, I will try to log into the account and check login browser. Then we will log in. There you can see here. There you can see this is my post that's sharing on the story, okay. So I just show you a software that help you to share your post on story on multiple account. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Nguyen Phat Tools.